All right, here's episode 1 of Guess the Stain. This is Pro X Carpet Cleaning in Oklahoma City. We've got this brown, couple brown spots here. One there that's thicker and some splatters there. It's a little bit darker in person than it is on camera, but there's no odor in the room. So there's a hint, I don't smell any odor. It's just brown and looks like it's sitting on the surface. So guess what the stain is and guess if it'll come out or not. Those are your 2 quiz questions. Okay, if you're still unsure, let's hit it with a pre-treatment mix. This part of this is a really strong peroxide wash, so if it's something organic, it should start to improve right away. If not, it might be something inorganic like makeup or something. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so now we're gonna see whether this is gonna come out with just the extraction only, or if it needs a secondary treatment as well. Okay. So it's still there. Okay, it looks like it wants to come out. Let me treat it and let it dwell for a little bit. Okay, this has had some time to dwell, so let's see if it'll come out. All right, if you guessed that it would not come out, you're right. It came out like maybe 90%, but you can tell that whatever hit the carpet initially, whatever the stain was, it had the property of dyeing the carpet also, so it changed the color of the carpet itself. So the correct answer was it would not fully come out. As far as what the stain is, if you guess something like mud, dog stain, things like that, that's not what it is. So the only things that it could be would be maybe wood stain, or it could be paint, dye, some sort of heavy makeup. So something like that. So if you guessed paint, dye, makeup, and that it would not come out, you were right, unfortunately. All right, thanks for watching.